What are we making today?
Soup snapper with potatoes. So guys, I did my green seasoning. Onion, garlic, shallot, pepper, scallion. So we're doing soup snapper with potato. Add half a ball of fire pepper, habanero. And I'll add potatoes. So if you got everything prepared, it's very fast and easy. I think I might put in another tomato in here. What do you think?
I think so, you know.
So we got 4 of these tomato already inside here. I'll put another one.
Oh, and I just...
Alright, so I'll let this cook for... I'll cover it up and let it boonjay pretty good in here. We fried the fish already. So I'll let it boonjay. I'll put it in slow heat and let it cook for a little bit. I'll be back. Alright, so continue with this here. I'll add some thyme. Then go without the thyme. Salt to taste. Black pepper. And more pepper flakes. I'll cover this and let this cook for, I think, 7 minutes or 8 minutes. And I'm not using tomato paste. The reason why they put in a lot of stuff, preservative into the tomato paste. It's not good for you. I don't recommend it, and I will not use it. I got 4 tomatoes in here. It tastes pretty good. I'll let this cook a little bit more. I'll be back. So it's been another 2 to 3 minutes. Two and a half minutes. So I'll add some water. Let it cook. By the way, this stew smells really good. I love the Indian stew. The Indian people, the East Indian from India. They make some good stew fish. So I'll put this to cook for another 5 minutes before I drop the fish inside, because the fish is already fried. So this is fried snapper. So let all that ingredients fused up with that water that I put it in there. So this can boil because that fish is already cooked and it's seasoned. You can season your fish and fry it up with salt, black pepper. I put a lot of stuff on mine. So as soon as this tomato is cooked, still hard, I'll put in my fish inside. I'll wait another 5 minutes. I'll let it cook for another 5 minutes, so I'll add these fish in here. I fry the fish and it's like it's shrink. They got skinny, small, tiny. I guess because I didn't put any flour in it. I didn't fry the fish with any flour. Because I don't like too much flour. I like roses. Good?
Yeah, you like wine and roses and chocolate? Yeah, me love you. Me papa love you.
You like chipiness, no?
You put thyme in a season of
A
thyme.
minute before I get to put thyme.
You forget again.
Yeah, before I get to put thyme.
Cookie is gonna want thyme in her food.
Yeah. No, there's thyme in here, and I see the thyme that currently all over the place. So.
You proper like aloo.
Yeah. We like 4 aloo on the plate sometime, as you know.
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna last us a couple of meals here, right? Two. Like 2 today and 2 tomorrow.
At the rate you and I are eating, I don't know how many meals this is.
Well, some people look like Cory Barrel, you know? You gotta watch how we eating. You know, me always skinny, you know? Alright guys, we're gonna let this cook for another few minutes. Let all that gravy infuse in this flesh of this fish. too long. Came from the gym, so we went for a little stroll in the snow. We're gonna be back, folks. We're back. And we tasted the salt, and everything looks good, and it's cooked really nice. Stewed fish. Stew snapper with aloo. Do you want to taste?
No, I just like do that.
So
Guyanese
if you
people.
look, you'll see all that ingredients inside of there. There's so much good stuff in there. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you didn't subscribe to the channel, please do so. See you guys in the next video. One love. Peace out.